What's going on, everyone? My name is Dave from Money Online Genius, and today I'm going to show you live withdrawal of Superpayme. I will show you how to make money on Superpayme and how you can withdraw the money from it. A lot of my viewers asked me to make a video regarding the cash withdrawal on Superpayme, and this video is for those who want to make some real extra money. Superpayme is one of the best get paid to sites which pays pretty well, and it's one of the fastest paying survey sites. Not only by taking surveys, you can make money on this website using various tasks like completing offers, watching videos, cash contests, sharing your payment proofs, and so on. I have both cash and points that I earned on this website, and that is around like $100. And I will show you how you can convert points into cash before you can actually withdraw them. Just before we start, make sure to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell. It really helps me to make more contents like this and explore more ways to make money online and show you guys how it's done. Alright guys, as you can see here, I have $56 in cash and more than 3,800 points collected here. See, I have currently 3,879 points, which are more than $38. Cash and points, it will be total more than $90, around like $95 or so. Now, before I show you how to withdraw money from here, let me show you some real other proofs of people making money from Superpayme. Now, as you can see here, it actually shows live payment proofs here. It's a pretty decent paying website. If you want to make some extra cash like $20, $50 or $100, then you should definitely try this website. I will leave the link of Superpayme in the video description below. Just sign up using the link from this video description and start making some extra bucks today. Another great feature about this site is that it has a very low payout threshold, which is just $1, and it is available almost in every countries in the world. You see, like, you just make $1 and you can withdraw your money, and it's almost worldwide. You can do it from anywhere in the world. So this is definitely something good. Alright, before I walk you through the withdrawal process here, let me show you how you can make money on Superpayme. One of the ways to make money on this site is by taking paid surveys here. At first, it can be a little bit confusing, but if you take your time to get to know this site, you can find plenty of surveys here on this site that you can qualify and start making money. It actually pays higher for taking surveys compared to other similar survey sites. So this is the best paying survey sites, one of the best paying survey sites, I would say. Besides paid surveys, it has a very attractive offer walls where you can get paid to complete various offers, various tasks like playing games, signing up for free trials, registering on various offers, and so on. To do that, you just need to go to offer walls to the top here, and you can see various offers here. I suggest you check all of them to see what's best for you. For example, if you click on high paying offers, you will see the offers that pay you comparatively higher than other get paid to sites. So this site actually has offers that pay you higher than other sites. Similarly, you can also make money on this site by inviting your friends. You will earn 25% of every friend's earnings. That means every referral's earning, you'll get 25% of their earnings. That doesn't necessarily mean that it will be deducted from their earnings. Actually, Superpayme gives you extra 25% as a way to thank you for inviting your friends. So it's a win-win situation for you and for your friend as well. So this is one of the ways to make money on this site as well. Another way to make money on this site is by taking part in cash contest. Every 3 months, you can win up to $1,000 by taking part in cash contest. Basically, how it works is like whoever earns the most in 3 months wins the contest and receives a reward. There are 20 rewards for 20 people, basically 20 winners, basically, and the first prize is $350. So you can see here, if you happen to make most money out of this site, then you can be also the winner of the cash contest here. So bear in mind, it requires a lot of work on this website to win this prize, because you need to be actively working on this site for quite some time. All right, you can also make money by watching videos here, but it is not the most effective way to make money on this site. It is time consuming. However, you can leave the videos running in the screen that you're not working. So the video is like running there, and then you just start making money from there. To watch the videos, you just need to go to offer walls and add sent media from offer walls, and then you can find the videos there. You can choose from any categories that you want. So these are the various ways that you could use to make money on this site. If you compare to other survey sites, other similar get paid to sites, this site offers various options to make money and comparatively pays more for surveys and offers as well. All right, so let's move on to the withdrawal process. All right, now let me show you how to redeem the points. First of all, just scroll down and click on points here. Okay, it's gonna give you two options here once you click on points. So as you see, just click on convert points and cash, and it shows you your total available points here. And remember guys, 1 cent equals 1 point. That means 100 points equals to $1. So if you happen to earn 100 points, that means you earned $1, and you can, as I said, you can withdraw $1. That's the minimum payout here. Now you just need to type how many points you want to convert to cash. In this case, I will convert all my points into cash, so I will type 3,879.22. That's how much I have here in points, and this is around like $39. Now I just need to hit convert. Now I will have total balance of around like $95. You will see it here. So it's pretty simple, simply clicking on points and typing how much you want to convert, and then just hit convert. Then it converts your points into cash that you can withdraw. All right, now to withdraw this cash, just need to click on cash from the top right corner here, and now you can see the option that says withdraw. Now the good thing about this website is that it just takes only 8 hours to receive your payment once you withdraw. So that's why this is one of the fastest paying survey sites. You can withdraw your money using PayPal, Skrill, Bitcoin, and so on. So there are various options for withdrawal as well. I'm going to withdraw using PayPal just to show you. As you can see, it charges only 2% withdrawal fees for PayPal withdrawal. There are so many other survey sites that actually charge more than 2% withdrawal fee. So in that sense, this is also definitely the right option for you. All right, now just hit withdraw, and to complete your withdrawal, you need to complete a telephone verification, remember. Okay, just type your country and type your telephone number. It will send you a verification code to verify your identity. Once you verify with the codes, your money is on your way to your account. Now, as I said, it only takes 8 hours or even less than 8 hours. And once you verify with the codes, your money is on the way to your account, and mine is also on my way to my account. Now, it only takes 8 hours to receive your money, as I said before, but let's see how long it takes in my case. Yes, I received my money within an hour. You can see $93 to my PayPal account. So this is definitely the fastest paying websites, and this is something that you should definitely try. And if you want to make money using Superpayme, go ahead and sign up using the link below. But if you want to make more money from YouTube and affiliate marketing, then you should definitely watch the videos popping to the left of your screen, and I will see you on the other side.